Now, in further, um, we have observed that gases are highly compressible as compared to solid and liquid. The liquefied petroleum gas, right, LPG cylinder that we get in our home for cooking, or the oxygen supplied to hospital in cylinder is compressed gas. Compressed natural gas like CNG is used as a fuel these days in vehicle due to its high compressible. Large volume of a gas can be compressed into a small cylinder and transported easily. We come to know of what is being cooked in the kitchen without even entering there by the smell that reaches our nostril. How does this smell reach us? The particles of the aroma of food mix with the particle of air spread from the kitchen reach us and even further away. The smell of hot cooked food reach us in seconds. Compare this with the rate of diffusion of solids and gas, because this is the only reason diffusion. It means uh, the pressure high to low. Due to high speed of particle and large space between them, gases so the properties of diffusion very fast into other gases. In the gaseous stage, the particles move about randomly at high speed due to random movement. The particles hit each other and also the wall of container. The pressure ex- exerted by the gas is because of this force exerted by gas particle per minute area on the walls of the container. So you can also see in this diagram, this is the solid, this is the liquid, and this is the gas. Now some questions are here. The mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. A density equals to mass upon volume. Arrange the following in order: increasing density, air, exhaust from chimneys, honey, water, chalk, cotton, and iron. So you can note down in your notebook and find out the answer. Okay. And tubulate the difference in the characteristics of state of matter like solid, gas, and liquid. Comment upon the following: rapidly, compressibility, fluidity, filling a gas container shape, kinetic energy, and density. So, a density high, low, kinetic energy low, and high, continuous. You compare and note down a single comment. Given reason, a gas fills completely the vessels in which is kept. A gas exert pressure on the walls of the container because of uh, because of diffusion, because high pressure to low pressure move. A wooden table should be called a solid because of these particles are very nearby attached, and uh, in all those of particles and atoms are strong bound. We can easily move around hand in air, but to do the same through a solid block of wood, we need a karate expert. Because of our hand move move to own, and the another type of exercise we will continue, and then slowly increase our practice. Liquids generally have lower density as compared to solid, but you must have observed that ice float on water. Find out why. because of ice density way more compare with water. So then ice is float on water, and water density is it means ice density is low and water density is very high. So because of density, can matter change its state? Yes, of course. Solid convert to liquid, liquid convert to gas, and gas convert to also in liquid. We all know from our observation the matter can exist in three states of matter: solid as ice, liquid as the similar water, and gas as water vapor. What happen inside the matter during these change of state? What happened to the particle of matter during the change of state? What does the change of state take place? We need answer to these questions, isn't it? So you can note down also. So what happened inside the matter during the change of state? Because of all these particles are bond very it means bond in uh, bond in weak positions, and their gap very far, and their atom size very small, so convert into another state, right? And what happened to the particle matter during the change of state? During the change of state, we will uh, input in a heat and a flow of energy, so they change in density and in force also. How does this change of state take place? uh, because of it means like one stays in solid, so we will convert in liquid, and we will convert liquid to in gas. we so this is types of your all answer. So next we will next section हम करेंगे